Okay, let's continue the tutorial for EXModel, and in this tutorial we're going to learn about how to extract primitives, and we're going to know where the feature locates. It's on our main toolbar here, and you just need to load your file. I'll just load an example file here, for example, and you just select extract primitives. What I want to do now is to mark this triangle and to tell the software I define this as a plane. Now the plane has been created and I'm ready to go. From the second part of the dialog, you have these 5 options that you need to tell the software what type of primitive this is. I press and I see a preview of my plane. The software makes what is called the best fit through all the selected triangles, so that's why it's important when you do your selection to make sure that you select areas that belongs only to this specific plane. And when you're satisfied, you can just press close, create. What happens is that the plane becomes available in the scene, and this can be used later for 2 main purposes. One is to align the object in space, and also you can use this in trim operations and define your surfaces. Now that I have this plane available, I can just hide it from my scene and I can carry on. So now I'll just pick this and we'll tell the software make this a cylinder. So when you do this selection and you extract your primitives, because it's all about accuracy, you may pick some of the areas that not belonging to the cylinder. It's always good to actually analyze the quality and how good the cylinder is. So I can just press the round analysis button, and you can see that it gives you a color deviation map of this quality of your cylinder. How you can interpret this as well, this part probably is not being manufactured really well, and it's possible that there are some noises or some deformations, but this software did its best to fit this cylinder through the selected points. By looking at this color deviation map, you can see that there are some deviation in certain areas, indicating that this cylinder might be perfectly ideal. Therefore, based on the information, you can decide whether you need to further adjust the selected area, or you can proceed and accept these primitives. In reverse engineering, correct selection and precision are crucial for extracting accurate primitives. By aligning objects in space, selecting primitives with the magic wand tool, and checking primitives quality using analysis tool, you can ensure that the extracted primitives meet design requirements. Mastering these steps and techniques will help you succeed in reverse engineering projects and efficiently convert scan data into usable geometric shapes. I hope this will be helpful. Thanks for watching.